Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to send automated messages with Chatfuel in 2026. If you want to reply instantly to users on Facebook or Instagram without typing manually, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Chatfuel account. Next, select the chatbot you want to use from your dashboard. Now go to the Automation or Flows section inside Chatfuel. Next, click on Create New Flow to build your automated messaging system. Now set a trigger, such as a keyword, user action, or new message received. Next, write your automated message that Chatfuel will send when the trigger is activated. Now add additional steps like buttons, quick replies, or links to guide the conversation. Next, test your automation using the preview or test feature to make sure it works correctly. Now publish your chatbot so the automated messages become active for users. Finally, monitor incoming conversations and update your automated replies whenever needed for better performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send automated messages with Chatfuel. Your chatbot can now respond instantly and save you time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.